Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today I'm currently in Buena Park, California. The neighboring city would be Cypress and West Garden Grove. Here is the front of the house. Today I'm on Miranda Avenue in Buena Park. This house was originally built in 1959 and it has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Single family home, single story house with a 2-car attached garage, as you can see. Nice clean driveway. It's very minimal, but it has clean curb appeal. So like I said, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, originally built in 1959. It last sold in 2012 for $310,000. And I'm gonna work my way to the back and show you guys what we're doing to the rear side of the house, okay guys? So stay tuned.